Hi, this is Joshua with Hvac Heating and Cooling, and today we installed another Bosch AC smart condenser, which is actually an inverter. It has a Mitsubishi compressor. This system is actually running right now, and it is super quiet. The sound is basically non-existent right here. So if you have neighbors that are nearby, they'll definitely appreciate this. This system uses about half the electricity of your traditional AC system, so your electric bill will be easy on your wallet. But the most important thing is the comfort. These systems remove humidity like nothing we've ever seen, or like nothing on the market right now. So if you think about ductless units in your home, this is kind of like the same technology, but in traditional condenser form, split AC unit. So again, this is Bosch, has a 10-year warranty on the system. So we just turned it on for about an hour now. It's removing humidity right now. So if you're looking for a upgrade on your system that is old, or you're looking for a more quiet system, or you just want to be more comfortable, this is the system for you. So please give us a call at Hvac Heating and Cooling.